Hello everybody and welcome. Technivorous here. Today I'm going to be giving you the download link to my Cura 5 Ender series profile. So this covers the Ender 3, the Ender 3 and the Ender the Ender 3 Pro and the Ender 3 V2. Before I give you the link though, I need you to smash that subscribe button. That's right, go ahead and reduce your Z offset over that bad boy and give it a good first layer squish. And now that that's out of the way, we'll jump right to the meat of it. So basically, you can go to my GitHub here, and I have a bunch of Cura profiles. Today, I'm recommending you download the Cura 5 Ender 3 series profile. That is right, it does work with all three Ender 3s. I have not tried it with the S1, so if somebody's got one, go ahead and throw it on there and let me know how the prints come out. And if you need to tweak anything, I definitely appreciate it. Basically, once you've downloaded the file, you're going to open Cura, you're going to go to Settings and Printer, and Manage Printers. Basically, any way you can get the preferences open, you just go to Preferences and open it that way. We're going to click on Profiles, and we're going to click Import. That profile is here in my Downloads folder because I downloaded it myself from GitHub and successfully imported. So now is this one. We can go ahead and select it. We can close that. It looks like it's going to make it selected over here. It didn't carry over, but that's okay. So now we have all of our settings, and this should give you a nice, clean print. Try it out. Let me know what you think. I've been getting pretty good quality stuff. There are a couple of minor tweaks and changes from my regular Ender 3 profile, but some of those are what allows it to be a little bit more compatible with all three. So you should get nice, smooth models and very, very accurate parts with this new profile in Cura 5. I hope that it's helpful to you. Make sure you download it. If this video was useful, make sure you leave a like, and as always, I'd appreciate it if you'd share my video out on your socials. That way other people can get the profile too. Thanks very much. We'll see you in the next one. Technivorous out.